Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing for a Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. It's the one with the timer on it. Now I did buy this for 30 quid in July 2020. I think for Black Friday, Amazon Prime Day, it's about 35, and full price at 60 quid. So with this you get an LED display, 3.5 audio line out. Now I have used this 3.5 audio line out for on a Denon AV receiver, and it's not very good. The audio's rubbish, so I wouldn't really recommend using it for that. Bluetooth, far-field voice control, so you can actually it's basically picking up your voice even if there's the TV's playing. It's always listening. You can press a button on it to stop the microphone from recording, but you can actually go on the Amazon Alexa app. You can go into the history and listen back to stuff it's recorded. So if you say, Alexa, what's the time today? You can press play and say, you know, the time is da-da-da. Microphone on-off button. It's compatible with all these services here as well. I use Amazon Music. I've got on a Prime account at the moment. You can also buy lights for it and control the lights. I actually have been using a regular Echo Dot. This is a Christmas present from my dad. So what I'm going to do is kind of use it for a few months to see if I like it, and then maybe buy myself one. But it's pretty useful. You can just say Alexa, put Radio 1 on or whatever, BBC Radio 5 Live, using TuneIn, which is that's internet radio, so you can listen to all the internet radio stations in the world with this. It's very easy to listen to. They also do like a little mains adapter Echo thing, which you can plug into the in the kitchen or something. Very basic sound quality on that one, but good for small places. So the LED display shows the time, outdoor temperature or timers, full sound, stream your favourite music, podcasts, audiobooks, compact speaker designed to fit just about anywhere. Yeah, and I would say that the audio on this is pretty good considering the size of it. Smart lights, thermostat locks and more, smart meter. Now in America it's also got a God mode, and Amazon.com, not in the UK, but basically you can say Alexa, I'm leaving the house, and it will listen out to any dodgy sounds. So if someone breaks into your house, it will send an alert to your phone saying, I've heard some glass shatter. You can also hook it up to security systems where they are alerted, and I guess they might send the police. But anyway, let's have a look inside. I've already taken the seal off a little bit, which has come off again. So I would say just wait till Black Friday or Amazon Prime Day, which I don't know when that is. I might actually just take that off. Just put that on the bottom. Let's put it on the side. I'm going to repackage this up for Christmas. So this is what you get. So like I said, if you don't want it to listen all the time, you've got that button, I think does it. Volume up and down, and whatever that is. I'm not sure what that button does. So that's pretty much it, really. You got your power and a line out connection, and you get your printed manual stuff. Hello, Echo Dot. You can just freeze frame this. I mean, it's pretty, self-explanatory, really, what you got to do. So use the Alexa app to set it up. Things to try. Now, one of the cool things is you can say, Alexa, announce, and whatever you say after that, it announces it to all your Alexa devices. So it's an intercom system. So, if you've got one of these in your kitchen, or like I said, the mains powered one, or you can get the big one, you can say, when dinner is ready, you can say, Amazon, announce dinner is ready, and it will make a ding dong, and it will play your voice. So it'll say ding dong, and it will be my voice saying dinner's ready. So there you go. Nice lazy way of doing that. Important information, we don't care about that. So you get a cool... So with the regular dot, I got a black power adapter. With this one you get a white one. So this is about 1 meter long, this cable. I think it's about 1.5 maybe. So it's a nice solid power brick there. Pretty cool. And that's all you get with this device. So I've just turned it on for the first time. That's it there. Just a regular. It's got a really nice fabric feel to it. I think the Apple HomePod has a fabric feel, but that's really nice. It's got, you know, it just feels more organic, I suppose.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa y segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures. Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
So you can see the fabric there. It's quite nice. Cool feel to it. You know, it doesn't feel like an electronic device. You know, it's probably why they've done it, so they can sneak in there. So anyway, I'm going to set this all up and use it. But generally, it's a fairly useful hands-free device. It's an always listening device, so security issues there, but I don't know. Unless you're ISIS or someone, then you'll probably be alright. So thanks for watching.